Welcome back to the next session, create page and refer page. In this session, we are going to discuss about how to creating a page and how to refer the page which we have created. So recommended best practices to follow the Blue Prism process template, because even in the process template itself, you will have some certain process pages which you can reuse. For example, you will have a startup page which will be reusable when you have application launch and login, and followed by that you will have a closed down page which will help you to terminate the application which is opened or which is launched by the process. And next, regarding queue, you will have mark as completed, mark as exceptions, and populate queue. So these are the basic template pages which you will have, so you don't need to end up in creating every time the new pages. So if you use a template, it will be good, or it will be easy for you to create those pages or use those pages according to your business flow. So addition to that, based on the business needs, make the process as simple as possible, which will help you to handle exceptions and easy in terms of support and fix. If you split your process or into small building blocks or small actions or small process, so that it will be easy to analyze or understand in case of process enhancement and process fixing. So that will be one of the best practice or one of the recommended actions from Blue Prism. So try to break down your process as simple as possible and group it into a different pages, and then call it into the process main page, so that it will be easy for you to fix in terms of support and process enhancement. So to avoid creating all workflow into a main page, as I explained, so instead of dumping everything into one process main page, if you have a different actions and group together the action based on a business flow in a different pages, you can call those different pages into process main page, so that you will have a proper flow structure which will be easy in terms of support and enhancement, as I said, as I said already. So which might looks a repetitive steps, but it is better to follow that, so that you will not end up in having lot of exceptional issues and other things when you look back your process in future. So there are two more steps to create a process. You will have two options. One is like, either you can click on the new page or click on the existing page which is already there in your process. By default, when you create a process, you will have a main page, as we have seen already in the previous session. So you can click on the main page name, and then right click, you will have an option for create new page. Click on the new option, which will prompt you a pop-up asking you to enter in page name. Just enter the name of the page and click OK, which will help you to create a new page. So as soon as the page created, similar to the process creation, you will have three major actions. Similar to that, when the page is created in the process studio, you will have three major actions, which is a process information, start and end, similar to the process creation. So this is one way of creating process page reference inside the process. The other way is like, you have a page reference icon which is available in Blue Prism toolbar. So just click on the page reference icon. As soon as you click the page reference icon, you will have three options, so will get over from your prompt. So in the new wizard prompt, you will have three options. One is like, create a reference to existing page, and create a new page, and by adding a reference to it, or add a new page without referring. So first one is like, you can create a page and refer to the page, or create a reference to an existing page. As the last one is like, you can create a page but you don't need to refer it, because that may be called at the later stage. So these are the three options. Anyway, it looks more theoretical. Now I'm going to show you in practical how to create those references using these two options, which probably give you a better understanding. So this is the Blue Prism process page. I've created a sample process for page reference action. And as I explained, the first one, you can right click on the process main page. By default, when you create a process, you will have a main page. Just right click on it, you will have a new option. Click on that, which will ask you to enter a new name on new name page pop-up. So I'm going to give as like startup as a page name. As soon as I click it, it's going to create a page reference on this page along with the page. So you will have the startup as the page which is recently created, and the page reference of that, you can just call the page icon. As soon as you take the page icon from this toolbar and drop it to your workspace, you will have three options. One is like, create a reference to an existing page. That's what I'm going to do, because I've already created a startup as a page. I'm going to refer that. So just click that. You will have existing pages. If you have more than 2-3 pages, you will have all list of pages coming over here. So just use the startup option because that is the first page we have created, and I'm going to refer that. Clicking finish, it will get connect to the page. So you can just link to start and end, which means like if you run this page, it's going to take you to the startup page after completing the startup page, and it's going to come to end. So that is one way of referring the existing page which you created. So you have other two more options when you go for a page reference icon. One is like create a new page and create a reference to it. So I'm going to go for a second option. When you click next, it will ask you to enter a page name. Now this is the other way of creating a page. So I'm going to give it as close down. So give close down and finish. It's going to create one page called close down, and it's going to give you as a reference as well. So this is like creating a page simultaneously, and then you are going to create the reference to it. So that's the third way of creating a reference. And the final one, which is last one, adding a new page without creating reference, which means like you're going to create a page, but you're not necessarily need to be referred to that one. So just give it as a sample page because you are not going to refer it. So which means like as soon as you click OK, it's going to give you a sample as one more page, but you will not see any page reference over here, which means like it's just created, not referred. So that's pretty much on creating page reference and creating pages in Blue Prism. So it's going to be the same similar structure or same similar formula in Object as well. Anyway, we are going to see in detail in Object Studio as well, so that you will get familiar with it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.